This is a 1996 Ford Explorer. Push in here to open up the glove box there. Use both hands. So again, you push in this part in, and this part in. This is the glove box. So if it's making this clicking sound, this is the blend door actuator right here. If it's making this clicking noise while it's running, one thing you could do is just disconnect it, and if it stops making noise, then for sure, then you know it's that. And when you disconnect it, it'll still run with air conditioning, but I don't think the heater is going to work. So good thing to test to make sure that that's what it is when you have the clickings, is disconnect the power, and if it stops, then you know it's that thing for sure. This is what it looks like. This is the part number. You can ask the Ford dealer. There's like 4 little spring-loaded clips that when this whole assembly comes out, you just squeeze them and then this pops out. But there is actually 3 little 8mm bolts. 2 of them are right in the front here, and one is, so when you're removing it, there's 2 8mm bolts, one here, and there's a third one like right there. So you kind of have to be creative of how you're going to get that third one. You might just have to be patient because it's a pretty small space back there. I just took my time and eventually I removed it. So there you go.